Ryzen 3. Ryzen 3 is AMD's entry-level processor lineup designed for basic everyday computing. These processors are commonly found in budget laptops and desktop PCs used for activities like web browsing, online classes, video streaming, document editing, and light multitasking. Even though Ryzen 3 sits at the lower end of AMD's processor family, modern versions are still surprisingly capable for normal, day-to-day use. Most Ryzen 3 processors usually come with 4 cores and 8 threads. In simple terms, this allows the processor to handle several small tasks at the same time without the computer feeling slow or unresponsive. For example, a student can keep multiple Chrome tabs open, attend a Zoom class, listen to Spotify, and work on assignments at the same time without constantly getting frustrated by lag. Many Ryzen 3 laptops also use integrated Radeon graphics instead of dedicated graphics cards. These built-in graphics are powerful enough for watching YouTube videos, streaming Netflix, editing simple photos, and even playing lightweight games like Minecraft, Roblox, Valorant, or CS2 at lower settings. This makes Ryzen 3 laptops a really popular choice for students, casual users, and office workers who want decent performance without spending too much money. However, Ryzen 3 processors are still not built for extremely demanding workloads. Heavy gaming, advanced video editing, and professional 3D rendering can quickly push these processors to their limits. Ryzen 5. Ryzen 5 processors are AMD's mid-range lineup and are easily some of the most popular processors in modern laptops and desktop PCs. These processors are designed to deliver a strong balance between performance, efficiency, and price, which is why so many gamers, students, office users, and content creators choose them. Compared to Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5 processors usually come with 6 cores and 12 threads, which means it could run more number of demanding tasks. Users can play games while keeping Discord open, stream music in the background, edit photos and videos without the system feeling overwhelmed. In gaming, Ryzen 5 processors perform really well when paired with a dedicated graphics card. Popular games like Fortnite, Warzone, GTA 5, Apex Legends, and many modern AAA titles can run smoothly with strong frame rates. AMD designed many Ryzen 5 laptop processors with variants like the U series for thin and light laptops and the H series for gaming systems. Ryzen 5 processors are also great for students and creators who want one laptop that can handle both work and entertainment. Whether someone is editing photos, attending online meetings, coding, or gaming after school or work, Ryzen 5 usually provides enough power for all of it without becoming too expensive. Ryzen 7. Ryzen 7 processors are high-performance processors designed for users like game streamers and content creators who need more power. These processors are commonly found in premium gaming laptops, high-end desktop PCs, and professional workstations because they offer significantly more performance than Ryzen 3 or Ryzen 5 processors. Most modern Ryzen 7 processors typically come with 8 cores and 16 threads. This higher core count allows the users to play heavy AAA titles, stream on Twitch, keep Discord open, record gameplay, and run background applications all at the same time without the system struggling too much. Ryzen 7 processors are also heavily used by content creators and professionals. Applications like Adobe Premiere Pro, Blender, Photoshop, and After Effects benefit greatly from the additional cores and threads. In laptops, Ryzen 7 processors often come with suffixes like HS or HX. The HS versions focus on balancing performance and battery efficiency for thinner laptops, while HX processors are designed for maximum performance in larger gaming laptops with stronger cooling systems. These high-performance variants can run at much higher clock speeds, but they also generate more heat and consume more power. On desktop computers, Ryzen 7 processors also include special high-performance variants called X3D models. These processors use AMD's advanced 3D V-cache technology. This allows many games to run with higher frame rates and smoother performance without dramatically increasing power consumption or heat output. Ryzen 9. Ryzen 9 processors represent AMD's high-tier consumer processors designed for users who need extremely high levels of performance. Most modern Ryzen 9 processors feature 12 to 16 cores with a very high thread count, allowing them to process huge amounts of data simultaneously. This becomes especially useful in workloads like 4K or 8K video editing, 3D rendering, game development, scientific simulations, and large multitasking environments where tasks that normally take a long time on other low-tier processors, such as exporting large video projects or rendering complex scenes, these processors can finish them significantly faster. Gaming performance is also one of Ryzen 9's biggest strengths. When paired with a powerful graphics card, these processors can deliver extremely high frame rates in competitive games while maintaining smooth performance in large open-world AAA titles. However, despite being incredibly powerful, Ryzen 9 processors are also very expensive, and most casual users simply do not need this level of performance. Ryzen AI. Ryzen AI processors are AMD's newer generation of processors designed to handle both traditional computing tasks and artificial intelligence workloads more efficiently. One of the biggest differences with Ryzen AI processors is the inclusion of a specialized AI accelerator called an NPU, which stands for Neural Processing Unit. This dedicated hardware is designed specifically for AI-related tasks such as voice recognition, image processing, background blur during video calls, and real-time AI features inside software applications. Unlike a normal processor that handles everything at once, the NPU takes over certain AI workloads separately. This helps reduce power consumption while also keeping the laptop responsive during multitasking. For example, if someone is using AI-powered photo editing, live subtitles, or video call enhancements, the AI engine can process those tasks more efficiently without heavily stressing the CPU. These processors are mainly found in thin and light premium laptops designed for productivity, creativity, and modern AI-assisted applications. While traditional processors can still run AI features through software alone, dedicated AI hardware allows these tasks to run more efficiently and with lower power consumption. Ryzen Pro. Ryzen Pro processors are special business-oriented versions of AMD Ryzen processors that are designed for offices and professional work environments. Just like the regular Ryzen lineup, Ryzen Pro processors are available in Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, and Ryzen 9 models depending on the level of performance needed. But the main reason companies choose Ryzen Pro is because of the extra security and management features included inside the processor. One important feature is hardware-level security protection. This helps protect sensitive company information such as passwords, confidential files, and login credentials stored inside the system memory. So if someone tries to steal or access the data illegally, the information becomes much harder to read or misuse. Another major feature is remote system management. This allows IT department to update systems, configure settings, troubleshoot problems, or even lock computers remotely without needing physical access to every laptop one by one. Ryzen Pro processors are also designed with stability and long-term reliability in mind. Business environments usually require systems that can run for long hours every day without unexpected issues. That is why these processors are optimized for professional workloads and enterprise use. Ryzen Z. Ryzen Z processors are AMD's processors created specifically for handheld gaming devices, whereas standard Ryzen chips are mainly used in laptops and desktop computers. These processors are available in different models, including higher-end versions that offer stronger gaming performance for more demanding titles. Another important feature is the built-in Radeon graphics. Since handheld gaming devices do not have enough room for a dedicated graphics card, the graphics processing is integrated directly into the processor. Of course, a handheld gaming processor cannot match the raw power of a high-end desktop or gaming processor, but that's not really its goal. Instead, Ryzen Z processors are engineered to balance gaming performance, battery efficiency, and thermal management all at the same time. Ryzen Threadripper. Ryzen Threadripper is AMD's most extreme processor, built for professionals whose workloads push even the powerful Ryzen 9 to its limits. These processors typically come with at least 24 cores to maximum 96 cores, with a very high thread count which allows them to process multiple, heavy-demanding tasks like 3D rendering, visual effects production, software compilation, scientific simulations, and high-resolution video editing. Of course, all of this performance comes with some trade-offs. Threadripper processors consume more power, generate more heat, and are significantly more expensive than mainstream Ryzen processors. Another thing that makes Threadripper unique is its physical design. These processors are significantly larger than standard desktop CPUs and require specialized motherboards and cooling systems. And this is completely understandable because Threadripper processors are not designed for average users. Instead, they are built for professionals whose work can directly benefit from having a massive amount of processing power available.